Hey guys, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery here, and do I have a special video series for you? It is the 12 Days of Christmas Cookies. I decided to share with you my favorite Christmas cookie recipes. Some of them I've been making for over 20 years, and a couple of them are new ideas that I just added to the assortment. All veganized for everyone to enjoy, but not a single one lacking in amazing taste. The hardest part will be deciding which ones to make. From super simple to a bit more time consuming, these cookies will have your holidays sweeter than ever. So for the next 12 days, I will be adding another recipe to the list, so be sure to subscribe here to my channel and you won't miss a single one. And on the 10th day of Christmas cookies, my true love me gave to me my favorite Black Forest cookie. Yes, this cookie recipe has been with me for over 20 years and I am still making them every year. You know me and my chocolate addiction, so these Black Forest bites are right up my alley. If you love brownies, you are going to love these. Super moist chocolate fudge cookies studded with brandy-soaked cherries and mini chocolate chips. Yes, you can leave out the alcohol if you prefer and they will still be awesome. But for an adult spin on this cookie recipe, soak those cherries in brandy and have yourself a merry little Christmas time. Alright, so you are going to need semi-sweet chocolate, vegan butter, salt, and just a pinch, not this whole bowl. So let me just get that in there now so I don't mistakenly add the whole thing. Flour, egg replacer, baking powder, brewed coffee, and vanilla extract, and yes, cherry brandy for soaking those dried cherries. Now, I finally found some dairy-free mini chocolate chips in my local Wegmans and I was so thrilled. Yes, it is happening. Vegan options are becoming so much easier to find. I used to have to order these online. Alright, so get the vegan butter into the chocolate with that pinch of salt to the stove to melt. Then get the brandy into the cherries to soak, and preferably do this at least 30 minutes ahead of time to really let them macerate. And this is another no mixer required recipe. So in a large mixing bowl, combine the sugar with the cooled brewed coffee, the vanilla extract. Whoops, there goes the last of my vanilla. If you want to check out my Patreon page, I would appreciate it so much. Add the melted chocolate and the butter mixture and then whisk all of that smooth. Add the flour, baking powder, and egg replacer and whisk that smooth. Now drain the cherries, and I'm not going to tell you what to do with that leftover brandy, that's none of my business. But add those cherries to the batter and then the mini chocolate chips too. This is going to be a soupy batter at first, so refrigerate it for at least a half an hour to an hour, or when they are to a scoopable consistency. Scoop them with a number 100 scoop spaced about 2 inches apart. Dust the tops with powdered sugar and then bake in a preheated oven for 12 to 14 minutes. Just be careful not to overbake them or they will become dried out just like brownies would if you overbaked those. Let them cool if you can before digging in, but I can never wait that long. These cookies are pure chocolate heaven right here, so fudgy and moist, just like little brownie bites. I love that they are bite-sized because I can pop a whole bunch of them when no one is looking. I really hope you're going to want to make these. Why wouldn't you? Look at them. So head on over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab the recipe and stay tuned in tomorrow for the 11th cookie recipe in my 12 Days of Cookies series. I can't believe we're almost done with all 12 days. It went by so fast. Don't forget to comment below so I know which cookie was your favorite so far. Alright everyone, thanks for watching and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.